How's it, guys? Today I'm doing a birthday unboxing. This gift my wife got me. Last year she got me the Chris Reeve Sabenza 31, and yeah, it's holding up pretty cool. But I thought it would be cool to unbox this gift with this knife. So she packaged it like this, and yeah, it's a Leatherman, which is cool. So I'm gonna kind of surprise you guys with what it is. I actually might put it on the title, but anyway, like this. Keep this to the side. Put your guess in the comments. What do you think it is? If I don't put the title. Ooh, looks good. Oh, it feels very, very beefy. This is the new Leatherman Arc with the Magna Cut blade. Yeah, feels very nice. Magna Cut feels very premium. Comes with the booklet. Comes with a sheath. Sticker. And it comes with some butts. So this Leatherman it's based on the free series. It has the magnets. It got the Magna Cut blade, and it has a scissor, pocket clip, got the saw, got the diamond file. Oh, everything on in this knife, everything is on the outside, which is cool. So this is the pry with the glasses, screwdriver. Pretty cool. So yeah, this was just a unboxing of my gift. Thought I'd share it with you guys. Yeah, leave some comments. Um, but I thought maybe we could also just go through, see what this is. Cool. So this just essentially shows you everything. Not very important, but thanks, guys. If you want to see anything else, let me know. I will be probably getting some more of these, like these butts, because this only comes with half, and um, apparently it doesn't come with any T6 or T8. Comes with T15, T10, and yeah, those ones are actually bigger, but it doesn't come with any T6, T8, so I will be getting the set. But yeah,